Quick update here in the morning. I'll go over pretty much all the tech stocks here in a second and give you my counts. Basically, we're still waiting on that fourth wave to start on QQQ. I would look for a pullback to, let's see how far the second wave pulled back. That took about 3 days. I wouldn't be surprised if this fourth wave takes a while. This is pretty quick. I would expect it might take like a week or so, but I'm expecting a pullback to at least probably somewhere around 332, 333 whenever it starts. Could be a little bit more upside because Apple hasn't completely topped, but if it goes to 338 even, then I'm looking for at least 333 on the pullback. So I think that being in a bullish position on any of the tech stocks now is probably not the best thing to be. I think there's probably going to be a pullback here. Apple might still hit 177. I've already sold my position, so I don't really care that much anymore. But I'm looking for a pullback here to 333. And yeah, there's still plenty. There's still upside in this, actually, even though it's just ridiculously overbought. We have Powell speaking right here. So the daily is now higher, the highest it's been since 2021. So we're getting there. I think that we might see something close to the November highs or maybe even higher than that. What's the all-time historical? So 85, we're at 77. So there's a little bit more to go, but we're almost there for a pullback. We should get a small pullback and one more move higher to 348. And let's go into the tech stocks now. NVDA. I did this extensively yesterday to make sure or see where it's at because I was just curious at this point. And I hadn't really been following it that much. I think it's in a extended fifth wave of a fifth wave. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're working on a fifth wave that extended. Normally, I would say this is probably the top, but instead, it goes 1, 2, and we're in a third wave here, in which we're only in the fourth wave, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third wave, pullback for the fourth wave, and we should see one more move higher after that. Timing-wise, I'm not sure. They have earnings next week, so maybe it shoots up into earnings around like 3:30, sells off, and then shoots up after earnings, or who knows. But that's the count right there. Extended fifth wave. Look for third wave to end up here soon, and then one more move higher after a pullback. And it's just crazy. They're just trying to screw the bears. Continues to go higher, but look for a chance for it to go to 350. Microsoft probably finishing the third wave. I'm looking for 327. Amazon looking for 125 on a gap fill here soon. It's already hit 119, but probably a little bit more higher to 125. Google almost hit the 1.61 fib. I think that it's probably in a fourth wave now as well, but it probably has a little bit more upside after a pullback. 128 is the 1.61 fib of the A wave. Apple, like I said, I already sold my position. I didn't sell it because it's finished. I sold it because I'm impatient, and there's probably a little bit more upside, but I didn't want to wait because I hate having to watch this forever. And I think that it probably has one more move higher to like 177, maybe 178. Or I could be completely wrong. Maybe it already topped out. We already have third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. So maybe it already topped out. I sold around 176.20. And zooming out here, I'm just looking for a fourth wave pullback. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So in the low 170s, I'll probably reload my position unless I see a better opportunity with other tech stocks. And what do we not go over yet? Tesla. Trying to make this kind of quick. I know Powell's speaking right now. Tesla hit my target of 180. This one's kind of tricky. I was thinking that there's potential this could be the lead bull on the next move higher because it hasn't completed the ABC move yet. All the other tech stocks have already completed their ABC moves. This is still at A, B, and it's starting this move up. It doesn't seem like it's going to go down to 145 anymore. So I'm just going to watch it. This could be a 5-wave move. We could see something like this. Seems unlikely, but you just never know. That would be a huge move, though, for this, where we're at in the market cycle. So I still think it's probably more likely we're going to go get some downside, but I don't know if it's going to go down here to 145 yet. So that'll be interesting to see. I would look for a pullback with the fourth wave on QQQ and then probably more upside. It still has not finished the ABC move. So Tesla might be the best tech stock to ride here in the next month or two if we keep on going higher. So last one is Meta. And on Meta, I think this is in another extended fifth wave. You see third wave right here, fourth wave, currently in the fifth wave. Or it is possible that this is still the fourth wave. So A, B, C, and this comes out over here, and then we move higher later. But the target is around 258. So look for either pullback 258 or upside 258. I would say pullback more likely. So I'll leave it at that. I just wanted to go over all the tech stocks this morning, give you my counts, and we'll see how that plays out. But again, I'm looking for pullback and higher to 348 on QQQ. So that should show you that we're not ready for a big correction yet. I'll do an update later. Good luck trading.